Hello, everyone. My name's Professor Christopher Harper, and I'll be your guide on this magical mystery tour of journalism research. I've taught this course many times during the past 20 years, and it's really an important class in terms of doing journalism or simply doing research for anything you may be doing in your life. If you look at its use in journalism, the first step in doing a story is getting an idea. That often includes research. Then there's the actual research and reporting that you need to do in terms of a story, and oftentimes you'll need to find a bit of information, some incredibly important background, some data, and a variety of other things. After your research and your reporting, then you need to write the story. And oftentimes, while we're writing a story, we come up with a question. We need a quick answer. We may have a question about a grammar issue, punctuation, that type of thing, so that research really provides a key foundation for journalism. Now, this is an online course, and one thing, if you haven't taken an online course, or maybe you've taken one or two, is that you really have to keep up with the work because we don't have that, meeting every Tuesday and Thursday at 9 or noon or whatever it is. There's a tendency to fall behind. It's really important that you keep up with the work. If you look on Canvas on the dashboard, you'll find journalism research. And we'll be doing this class asynchronously, which means that you can do it at your own speed. You can follow the lectures whenever you want to see them. Um, and so to take a look here, you can contact me at any time through charper@temple.edu. First and foremost, it's important that you get Brant Houston's book, the fourth edition. You can rent the book for a period of a month. So I would recommend that you maybe wait toward the end of the first week or so and then get it for the month, and that should carry you through. The lectures are on YouTube, and they are under a drop down with various lectures on each week. So what we have is we have discussion questions each week. There'll be two. You have to post at least 200 words. You'll find the topics under discussions here. There will be various assignments generally each week, which will test your searching capabilities. Also, there will be um, an exercise, an extensive exercise with Excel. Some of you may know how to use Excel, others won't. If you know how to use it, good for you. You can take it easy that week. But here we have week one. We will have two discussion questions. You can earn extra credit for a third response. That's the only opportunity for extra credit here. Then there will be various exercises on government and crimes. You will be able to find those either under assignments or quizzes, whichever way you want to go. Week two, again, we'll have two discussion questions, and then we'll look at the census report, Philadelphia, and also with politics. Again, there are exercises that are due each week. On week three, you have to take a look at a story idea. And we'll be doing this in four pieces, really. A story idea, which should be narrowly focused and uses some sort of numbers or data sorry, to go along with your story. And then there'll be your first story memo, your second story memo where you do your reporting and your background work, and then a final story is due on the last Friday of class, June 19th. 600 words. It needs to be of a topic that I've approved. It cannot involve students unless I approve, and you need at least 3 interviews and some form of multimedia. That can be a graphic or a photograph, something like this. So the first 3 weeks we're working through various types of data. The fourth week we go to Excel, how to use it. Week 5 you're working on your final on most of your reporting and reading in the Brant Houston book. And then week 6, you're bringing it all together in terms of your story. So the grades are fairly typical. Um, the deadlines can vary. If you fail to meet the deadline, you can receive a maximum of 70% of the overall grade. If you file it within a week, um, if you have some emergency or a health-related issue, I can, as long as you tell me about it beforehand, we can work out another deadline for you. Here are the traditional academic rights and responsibilities, academic honesty, and students with disability. So that's what we have. You can see the full outline of what's going on. And so that's it for now, and we'll see you online. Thanks very much.